Okay, for the first part of this task, what you're going to do is you're going to import your photograph that you've taken of your textures that you have created with coffee or ink or soy sauce or maybe even paint, whatever you have lying around the house with your textures. So you're going to go File and then Open, and you are going to go to your textured sample. So for instance, this one, and you're going to go Open, and it's ticking away. Okay, so when you have this on the page, it's really hard to take a good quality photo if you don't have the studio set up. And if you take photos inside, they're a little bit grey as well. So what we're going to do is go up to Image, Adjustments, across to Brightness and Contrast. And with these sliders here, we're going to play around. So what I want to do is make my page whiter and get rid of the shadows that are on there. And I want my image to be darker, so there's more contrast between the dark and the light. So I will do that till I'm happy with it and go OK. And then the next thing I'll do is go to Image, Adjustments, and down to Threshold, and we're changing it to black and white. Now I've lost a lot of information there, so I can drag this slider along and it will bring back some of the information, but as you can see, it starts to eat away where those shadows were. So I have to find that happy medium. Okay, so something like that perhaps, and I'll go OK. Then I'll save as a JPEG. So I'll call it background texture 1, and I'll save it. Okay, so that's the first step, and now we're ready to take it into Illustrator.